What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Travis. This is TWA Motorsports, and today, well, I lied to you guys. So I told you I wasn't going to show you me pulling this trans out another time, but I am. But this time I'm going to time lapse it. Not going to do any talking as far as like other than before and after, but we are going to kick this thing out of here, get it to my transmission, guys, see what the heck is going on. I know you guys probably felt my frustration in the last video. I am very frustrated with this truck, and it's been a minute since I've even messed with it. I know it's been a few videos back now, but look, I need to get this thing out so he can take a look at it and get it back together, because there's other things that I want to be doing, guys. There's other stuff that I want to work on, that I need the lift for, and so I don't just want to leave this undone or not running and push it off in the corner, even though I have thought about that, believe me. But either way, the very first thing we're going to do is unhook the battery. That's why it's down. We're going to get it up in the air. Like I said, I'm going to time lapse each and everything that I pull off of this. Hopefully you guys can see you know, what's going on in the video. If you guys were looking for a quick overview on pulling the transmission out of one of these, I think this will be good because it's just going to go relatively quickly. So let's get started, and hopefully we can get this thing out, get it to the trans guy, and figure out what the heck is wrong with it. Well, guys, there you have it. It is out. I spent probably an hour and a half doing that. If I wouldn't have had to move the camera around, the light, and had all the tools ready, I think I could have done it in an hour or under. Didn't take me as long as I thought it would. And look, I told you guys I wasn't gonna show you this, but honestly, maybe it helps somebody. Maybe you see something that I took out, put in, and maybe not. Hopefully the lighting was decent for you guys on this. I haven't even looked back at the video. I literally just kept moving the camera and hitting record. So we got everything off the transmission, other than I need to take the bracket off for the shifter. Got the fittings that you guys saw me take off, got the converter out. It's over there, it's somewhat draining. I'm gonna send it back. They're gonna have to cut it open and make sure there's no gunk in it, and then they'll send it back to me. It does suck, but hey, that's part of it. Other than that, like I said, I need to take this guy off. I did take the electronics off the side for the shift indicator, and then this is for the shift linkage itself. So all in all, not too bad of a deal. I will tell you guys that, you know, several people reached out to me and offered up pointers and whatnot, and I really do appreciate that, guys. Don't think that, I know a lot of people thought tuning, look, my tuner has been doing it for like several years. He's very, very well versed in 4L80 swaps. I know it's not a tuning issue. That thing was making some noise when we were driving it down the road. So, but I do appreciate all the people that reached out and said, you know, like, is the O-ring good on the input shaft? That would cause the converter not to lock up. And did you try this? Did you try that? So I do appreciate that, guys. And like I said, I wasn't gonna show you this, but decided to. Ultimately, if I'm gonna be out here in the shop, I figured why not record this and show you guys my struggles. And so I'm gonna try to do more of that in these little, you know, these little projects where I'm cleaning stuff. It may be boring, but I want you to see how detailed and OCD I am. It makes me crazy sometimes how I want to just blow everything apart and clean every little piece and put it back together. I don't know why I'm like that. But either way, if you guys did enjoy this video, like always, smash that thumbs up button. If you guys are not subscribed, please go down there and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Of course, ring the bell icon. That notifies you every single time we drop a new video. And stay tuned to see what we work on next.